You can't wear me on TikTok. On a bad mind for Nicki Minaj money. Hey, girl, a 10,000 Nicki Minaj send me where there. 5,000 pounds sell. Because suck on the mother make you hungry. Big pussy batty boy. And plus, when me come off of TikTok, me make over how much thousand. Me make me level grenadier when me come off of TikTok. Jaden them can tell you. Me a testing when me come off of TikTok. Big pussy boy. I want girl where they fuck up me thing so. Cause suck your mother and me things ever up. See me ever they make money. Cause suck your mother, come ever the blood clan, me Yankee dog them I drop money. Him and them one them scamming money, big pussy Yanique. Oh, let me finish play voice note. Listen to the phone.
Alright.
Can you send him an voice note? And the money
yes,
fuck up. And he get the money, can I check your account. And the money
so the reason you get access to your account is because we put your account under investigation. The reason you get access to your account is because we put your account under investigation. It's pending closing on your account due to we have detected some fraudulent activity.
Scamming money. So people, me do something about America. People.
Okay, boom, viewers, welcome back to the channel. Subscribers really know the thing set. We're blessed. You also know the story incomplete. If many of the panel beatings can't see, pan on the screen. Blamdem is taking it to World Dawg wickedly because it look like say Yanique scam some people. Him know out of 60,000 US dollar for some fraudulent check business. Put in the comment section what you think about that, because you know a few months ago we had ran a story that she had got arrested and things, but she come out and say nothing no go so. But we did end up finding some court documents that she was suing her homegirl for $3,000 and her life was in danger. And she did that on drugs. Boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. So Blamdem basically talking up the whole scammer thing, you know. You see me, I say, as well as World Dawg snitching on Squash. Me see me. Yeah, because we tell this when Squash them they get pulled over upon the bus. From coming from West Palm City or wherever the Panama City, right? World Dawg did the on the bus. JB Production did the on the bus. And I said to other man and woman, you see me, I say, and all of them has been under investigation since that day. But World Dawg been snitching on everybody, even Bad Breed, and all of them people them. See me, I say, so I'm going to chat about that as well. You feel me? So let's like and share the video from now. And let's hear what I go on for that to go on this side. Because I'm say the car payment them a pile up and them run this, you know, and the mortgage and them thing there and them strap for cash and all type of things. You see my ass?
But you see Bob Marley out. You see a man time when me get up, me listen Bob Marley out. You hear Bob Marley tell you, it's not all that glitter is gold. Half the story has never been told. You see them bumbuckler jewel they roll take out. And then for Lamborghini, him for them, I'll batty roll and him to pay for them there and Yanique. Right now, I know all people right now we have mortgage, I kill them. And then I'll batty them girl when them for pay them bills. So you can't trip me in America. Me not take out nothing. If me can't scam and bumbuckler chop on 500,000 and go buy no house cash. I don't care cash, me not want it. Because to me see people like I don't live to pay no bills. You know all thief people. All when people are killing for their money, you know we thief. Because look, Paul, Yanique now, we have to go everywhere, they thief people money. So for him and them to go kill for their money. Big pussy Yanique. Him and them want their money, pussy. Let me call me dog right now. I make them eat more money and then thief him and money if you want little money. Let me call me dog right now, fam. The dog now answer me, people. The dog must system me the life, people. See there? The dog system me the life and answer. See there? The dog now answer because the dog system me the life. The dog send up on the line. Suck out to no mother, no thief. The man them want them scamming money, big pussy girl. Let me
Thank you for contacting the fraud department of TD Bank. Who do I have the pleasure of speaking with?
Yanique Marzuka.
Can you give me the last account number?
Okay, hold on. Let me get it right now. 4936.
All right. And the last 4 digits of your phone number that's on file?
1168.
Thank you. All right. I would like to send a file next to you right now.
Sure.
I'm streaming on TikTok.
All right. Let me know when you get that code, okay?
My response. Okay. I'm so sorry.
Got it. Are you ready?
Yeah. What is it?
578.
All right. Thank you. All right. I have successfully got into your account, and how can I help you today?
So I have some problems. I was told that I needed to speak to the fraud department and they're saying because I could not get into my account. My username and password is not working, so I'm trying to find out what is going on and the reason I cannot get into my account.
Okay, so it seems like you're locked out of your account. Okay, let me take a look for you. 1 second.
You can't talk to me in America. You not a body in America, not criminal.
All right, ma'am.
Yes, I'm here.
All right, thank you. So the reason you can't access your account is because we put your account under investigation. It's pending closing on your account due to we have detected some fraud. Yeah, it seems like a check was deposited on January 8th in the amount of 60,306. So with that being said, we have decided to close your account. Any funds that's in your account will be mailed out to you within the next 30 to 45 days. And if you have like any recurring payments or anything like that, we're gonna get those stopped.
I don't understand. It's a fraud check. Can you tell me what's wrong with the check? Will I get the check back?
Account under investigation. I really can't give you too many details. So we had just decided to close it after the decided to close your account pending the investigation. Yeah, so that'll be done within like the 30 to 45 days, okay? And then and then let's see. And it says that so you will receive the remaining funds in your account minus that check, okay? But you won't. Yeah. Sorry about that.
So I don't know what's going on, but will I check? Because that check is not fraud.
Not a bank.
No,
All right, not a bank.
it's flagged fraud in our system. So no, you will not be getting that back, unfortunately.
Friend them, them. That's why me them Bex and send me.
Is there no, there's nothing else.
All right. Well, thank you for calling TD Bank Fraud Department, ma'am.
No problem. Thank you.
Man, want them scamming money, big pussy girl. Man, want them scamming money. Oh, give man them scamming money, not low life. Paper. Me tell you in a life, you know, bro. It's not all that glitter is gold. Half the story has never been told. Now I see the light. Stand up, get up. Stand up for your right. Stand up, get up. See, you know shit. See, you there. You know load that shit. You know load that shit in a foreign. You know the America 30, 50 years and still a thief. And I set on life together. Me just come America, bro, 2023. Me not the America, I mean, want much car, bro. You know what time rich and broke in America? Me ever the rich and broke. I wear a 700,000 me make. And me done that in a less than 1 year. You think me a Benz? Where they heap of money them pan TikTok show how much big jewelry. 700,000 make in America, me not buy no house. I be a car, me buy my money after action. I sell them out, me more money. I sell me jewelry, them more money. And me go make it back again. You're a skipper say, no pussy test, when me drop me must rise. Amount of money me make as a young youth. Me a 22-year-old youth and when me making a life, pussy. And me see that make more. Or me fi broke and me dog them we a job checking on no account. When make money fi pay on the bills. And me dog them. If a man them can't trust me fi send on a voice note with a job check. Why man them don't trust me fi job check in a account for me? And me have much link. Me can make them job check in a client account. Me can make them job check in a my friend them at me Yankee friend them account. Me no must make money if me want make money. Me just interested in a check thing. To one hungry enough for the job check. Bunks out to no account. Overdrawn for 60,000. The bank want kill no for 60,000 and the son rich. Bro, me hear about Yanique, me 60,000 and the son rich. Bro, me hear about Yanique, me hear say Yanique family rich. Oh, Yanique family rich and for the job check. You go suck on the mother and go pay no car payment and tap teeth to pay car payment. You know somebody batty boy real lag. Go suck on a capper youth. On a capper. On a capper. On a capper around foreign. Be a fuck you now do for pay no real lag mortgage about 10,000. Real lag bills them about 20,000. When me look up, somebody look up in here, me say. Look up in here, me not find me make you say. I can me run in file. Bills that kill him a month time. In half a thief. Where they Yanique got jail, cause Yanique then do insurance fraud with the Corvette. Where they do insurance, Yanique get lock up feet. Yanique can fuck out from up here. Well, like, you don't know nothing about me, batty boy. You know nothing about me, you can't talk nothing about me. You tell me, log you up me thing. You can't say nothing about me, you can't say about me, you can't say about me. Tell me you can't say about me, Tell me you can't say about me. You have over me, you can't say about me, you talk something about me. You can't say nothing about me, bad man. And anybody when me go around and log up myself with, me have things to say about them too. So if somebody can call me and say, yo, me no look, me no drop my guard, youth. Me ever active for people and watch people, youth. And anybody who have things to say about me have more things to say about them than what they can say about me. Because me mind everybody when me have money. Everybody me mind when me have money. You send me I make money, me mind everybody me kind. And that's why sometimes people, I think so much people love me. And me I go road all 100 man will come back at me. We are road. Because me kind, youth. Me take care of all of me dog them. And me dog them say, give me 5 bills, give me 2,000. Me immigration to pay. Give me lawyer fee, me I give them youth. Because sometimes me kind youth, me too free-handed. And that's why people take advantage of me. You know, say look a suck pussy girl where there, big thinking girl where there. We come on internet, they call up my name. I come then girl, come on my yard, come bumbo clad. Come for me and them make money together and then thief me thing. Thief me thing. When me and them make money together, then come rob from me and me get corrupt on them and say me no want a friend from them. Because me kind you, me put on everybody for make money. Me no hide link from people, bro. If me a link for make money, me a show me dog them how to make money. Me no fuck up them way there. If me have a link can make $100, me a put on me dog them. And me not fit rob nobody fit have nothing in life. So if you know they go around the man them, bro, and they call, that's not a bank, bro. If somebody that Yanique get and pretend to be a bank and send him an advice to it. Because if any man buy Yanique information and check your account, the 60,000 draw out. I hit him a real log of the show. Go suck on the mother from January 8th, if you run the man money and go suck on the mother. Over now bounce check through no hungry. Yanique go look at work, dirty girl, and real log to go work. Not now go and fit, you know, bad mind for Nicki Minaj. Here where the batty boy also say. But me and Nicki Minaj and me and broke. Batty boy, me no beg Nicki Minaj, where the Nicki Minaj down here and call me. And said, yeah, anything me can call me, no beg Nicki Minaj, bro. I have Nicki, all me have to do is say, me have Nicki Minaj people, them number. If Nicki Minaj say anything more, me can call somebody and give me their number. Me no beg Nicki Minaj, bro, because me I say, dog, if me no turn them way there, bro. Mama know, say, if he send me money, go send me money. Me no beg people, dog. Me own for me own, dog. Me a jogger. Me sit down and work. All the nothing go on for me work till something go on. Me press till something go on. Me no waste time bad man and beg on TikTok. Me no come here come beg. Bro, if you see me there stand frost in a real life, me no go live on TikTok come beg. Because me know nobody on TikTok knows me frost. Me prefer go sit down and press till me make a money, me come back on TikTok. Because me no come beg nobody on TikTok account. Only if you go suck on nobody and go look at work. Ask anybody from up here. Me hunt for me food, me hunt for money, me hustle for what me want. Me press for what I want, yo. Me no beg like I and rob people. Ask anybody if me ever rob them. Ask somebody if Dams ever rob them or Blamdem ever rob them. Nobody can tell me rob them, bro. Me no rob people, bro. Me hunt for me own and me no beg nobody nothing, yo. That's why I see people want to tear me down. Real like go suck your mother, you're thinking pussy girl. Go look at life. When you go fix, get on a life together. Bro, make sure you say Bob Marley. How you think they have to kill Bob Marley? How you think they kill Bob Marley? Bob Marley smart. The man tell you no youth. Bob Marley say it's not all that glitter is gold. Half the story has never been told. Real like showing a Lamborghini and big house and Corvette and GLE and car payment to kill him. Right if a man, how you think real like if you take lion from Perry? I fuck Perry and fuck him for money for paying car payment. Real like we take all cocky and batty for pay car payment. Or you think all Hakeem have to fuck big stinking Rosalie? Because they can't do better than do anything for money. Or you think Snow fuck Hakeem for money? Because they can't wall out them bowels. If me not no money, bro, me wall out bad man. Me wall out till me find a client. Remember, you know, youth, you say me find client, bro, me go waste money and gal out money, youth. Car, me buy gal, my friend. And Jolie and them thing, they give them money. Because when me have money, I hate that, youth. And my mother for the customer say, yo, where do with so much money? You know, amount of people want to make their money in their life. And they make it. But my mother don't live now, batty boy. Go suck your mother, batty boy. And my family cost me every day. So where do with so much money, youth? Where do with so much money in our life? Where you make? Pussy me can't frost, batty boy. Me can't broke, my friend. Go suck your mama. You look stinking shit in a plate, batty boy. Go suck your mama real lag. You can't not with me, batty boy. You can't war with me. Because me love badness. Me a criminal long time from me there Jamaica, me a do badness. You can't war with me, batty boy. Because me come here, come pass the security them, come in a scheme, a Silver Lake, so shot in your face. Brawling. And know say me go up and run. If me take you serious, batty boy, go suck your mother real lag. Remember say your name Hakeem Dunbar a public record, but me put in a name pan Bumbuckler work. Me get your house where you live, your address. Go suck your mother real lag and come off of my name, batty boy. Come and call up me, you inform a batty boy, squash them now use you. You call up him and name batty boy. You call up him and name and you make squash the jail. You tell the police them to squash I done for 6 camp. And put RICO charge on the man. You take a plea deal with the government, batty boy, you informer. You say you're a bad man, you come by your X6 I a gunman, I a this, I a take plea deal, I say a bad man. Go suck your mother world dog, you can't talk to me. You can't take plea deal from people and talk to me. Batty boy, me par alone, right now me alone I walk with me gun. Me a F a boy ever run up on me bum out yet. But you think me give so much problem and me not dead? Me not still make nobody kill me. I that to now wait pan for kill me, but I think well I know want kill me, I no can't do it, my friend. I squash them and wreck me from your youth, I got me there Birchill and start spring. Well if you tell people you no can't nothing with me bad man, go suck on no matter, no can't no war with me. You no can't diss me on the internet. You no can't nothing over me, cause me a drunk, me not no shame. If you're a babe man I like you, you take up a worst girl in Florida. The worst girl in Florida you go take up. Florida my trash. Yanique, I mean to say so, Jamaica my trash too. Cause Yanique fuck out the whole of Mobile before you reach a Florida. The whole of Mobile know your Yanique pussy look. Cause suck on no matter come off of my name, Batty boy real lad. I mean now give me everything today no people. I left some friend and come back. Suck your mama real lad. You can't talk to me Batty boy. Whole neighborhood know me a junker. Everybody know me a junker. You can't talk to me Batty boy. We don't thief people scamming money for pay car payment. Thief man, they want 60,000 big pussy Yanique. That's not a bank. I don't call somebody make it like a bank. What make him go the record from when he call the bank? What make him go the record and put in the account number and he get when I friend them, like Yanique get when I friend them and say, you know Yanique do paper, Yanique get when I friend them and say, hello, me go call you as a bank, you go talk like a bank. I go thief them money. When the man buy look up in social and call the bank, he get thief him man money. And they using it for the man. I'm going to suck your mama and pay man in there 60,000. I'm going to suck your mama. I say, I show me no business about to you know. Go suck your mama and give man in there 60,000. This thinking pussy Yanique and thief in real life. On a thief like a blood clot dog shit. On a thief. On a two bumbo clot thief. On a two thief. On a one luxury life and you can't maintain it. On top thief, you maintain on dirty lifestyle. And I wish you don't go take out car. 5,000 a month you have to find. Plus mortgage with 7,000. You know must have a thief. TikTok now give them money. You pop down on TikTok. And I like one time I used to wind up in I jazz them. I costume them and I used to make money for you.
Put in the comment section where you think about that. No, we not for go over Hakeem them part because we say, oh no know about them thing there already. This is my say, as well as figure it out, boyfriend and Snow Diddy and Jay and Jessica. This is Jay and Jessica. Jay and Jessica is the man you see another Jess. This is my say. But nevertheless, you can go up on my next channel, my Boom Bye Bye news channel, and check out what I go on for not go on with Fantastic Tree. Because it's sure, you know, not fun. Anyway, people, we're not going on this no longer, you know. So do the right thing and like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to be notified when I drop the latest, though. Bless.